Hari Om. Hello everyone, I am Sri Jyoti. Welcome to my channel. Today's our video is class 11 chapter 3 trigonometry part 3. So make sure that you have watched part 1 and part 2. Today's our topic is trigonometric ratios and functions. In trigonometry, 6 trigonometric functions are defined and there are 6 trigonometric ratios that are related to the measures of right angle triangle to the length of its sides. Okay, so here let us consider one right angle triangle and find the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so here let us consider one right angle triangle ABC. Let this angle be theta. Okay, then here this side is perpendicular side and according to theta this side is perpendicular or opposite side and it is adjacent side, it is the hypotenuse. Okay, now here first of all, first trigonometric ratio sine theta. Okay, sine theta, that is equal to, sine theta is the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. Okay, that is sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, here let this length be x, this length be y and let it be r. Okay, now here sine theta, what is sine theta? Sine theta is nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, that is, what is opposite side? Y divided by r, hypotenuse is r. Now cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Okay, cos is ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse. So cos theta is nothing but, okay, opposite side, sorry, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is, adjacent side is x divided by r. Next one, tan theta. Okay, tan theta. See, tan or tangent. Tan is, it is the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side. That is, opposite side divided by adjacent side. Actually, tan theta is the ratio of sine and cos. Okay, that is sine theta divided by cos theta. So that we will get opposite side divided by adjacent side. So that is equal to y divided by x. Okay, next these three functions have three reciprocal functions. Okay, these three, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, these three functions have three reciprocal functions. That is, sine theta, its reciprocal is cosec theta. Cosec theta, okay, its reciprocal, sine theta is equal to y by r, then cosec theta is nothing but r by y. Okay, r divided by y. So next, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, that is equal to r by x. Okay, reciprocal of x by r, that is r by x. Next is reciprocal of tan theta, that is cot theta, that is equal to x by y. Okay, remember tan theta is nothing but sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. That is, see, sine theta by cos theta, y by r divided by x by r cancel, so you will get y by x, right? Okay, so these three are the reciprocal functions of these three functions. Okay, so cos theta, reciprocal of sine theta, sec theta, reciprocal of cos theta, cot theta, reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, now here see, if two sides of a right angle triangle are given, Okay, then we can find the all values of all trigonometric ratios. Okay, if two sides of a right angle triangle are given, we can find all the values of all trigonometric ratios. Let us take one example. Okay, now let us go through an example. See, here two sides are given. Okay, so let it be 12. It is 5. Okay, now here see, two sides are given of a right angle triangle. Now here we have to find the sometimes, okay, we are asked to find all the values of all the trigonometric ratios, 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, find the values of 6 trigonometric ratios. So how to find? Let us see. Okay. So here, see, before finding the values of 6 trigonometric ratios, we have to find the length of hypotenuse. Okay, so how to find? Any idea? Here, see, we have already studied Pythagoras theorem, right? Of a right angle triangle, right? So here, in this right angle triangle, two sides are given, perpendicular and base, right? So we have the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square. That is, square of hypotenuse is the sum of squares of other two sides. Okay, that is, here let it be x or r. Okay, r square is equal to, okay, square of hypotenuse, that is equal to sum of squares of two sides, or sum of square of base, okay, base square and perpendicular square. Okay, now r square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square, that is 25 plus 144, that is 169. Okay, now r square is equal to 169, then what is r? R is square root of 169, that is nothing but 30. Okay, now we have got hypotenuse. Okay, now we are able to find the values of 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, let us find one by one. Sin theta. Okay, what is sin theta? Okay, we have already mentioned here what is sin theta? Ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse, right? So opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is this? 30, right? Okay, so here opposite is 12 divided by 30. Okay, so sin theta value is 12 by 30. Next is cos theta. Cos theta is, what is cos? Ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse, right? So what is adjacent side? 5. 5 divided by hypotenuse is 30. Okay, now tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but ratio of sin and cos, right? That is sin theta divided by cos theta, or we can say opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is nothing but 12 by 5. Okay, now we have found these three functions value, right? Now next, what are the other three functions? That is reciprocal, right? These three functions have three reciprocals, right? So here cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta, that is 13 divided by 12. Okay. Now here no need to check, right? So here we can write directly. Okay. Its reciprocals we can write directly. Cos theta, its reciprocal is sec theta, 13 divided by 5. Okay. Cot theta is equal to 5 by 12. Okay, now we have found all values of all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, one more example. Okay, let us go through one more example. Here it is given. Okay, hypotenuse is given and it is 1. Okay, it is not given. This length is not given. So our question is, find the values of 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let us find. See here only two sides are given. Okay, to find the values of 6 trigonometric ratios we need 3 sides, right? Okay, so for that we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so here what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square, that is square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, right? So here square of hypotenuse, that is 5 or root 5 square, okay, that is equal to 1 square plus let it be x, okay, x square. Okay, so square root of 5 whole square is 5, square root square cancelling, that is equal to 1, okay, 1 square 1 plus x square. So take this one here, so 5 minus 1 is equal to x square, that implies 4 is equal to x square, this implies x is equal to 2, okay, x is equal to plus or minus 2, it is about length, so x is equal to 2. So it is this length is 2. Now we have all three sides, right? Lengths of all three sides. Now we are able to find the values of 6 trigonometric functions, that is sin theta. Okay, first one is sin theta, that is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, that is 2 divided by root 5. Okay, next cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 1 by root 5, 1 divided by root 5. Next is tan theta, that is equal to opposite that side divided by adjacent, that is 2 divided by 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, now we have got these three values. Okay, next it's reciprocals, right? So sin theta reciprocal cosec theta. Sin theta is 2 by root 5, so cosec theta is nothing but root 5 by 2. Okay, next cos theta reciprocal is sec theta, that is equal to root 5 square root 5 divided by 1, that is nothing but root of 5. Okay, next tan theta reciprocal is cot theta, that is equal to its reciprocal is 1 by 2. Okay, see, now we have got all values of trigonometric ratios. Okay, next we will study about unit circle. Okay, unit circle. Okay, let us see a unit circle. What's a unit circle? A circle of radius 1 unit, that is called a unit circle. Okay, we can form a right angle triangle in a circle. Okay, see here it is a unit circle of radius 1. Okay, unit circle means a circle of radius 1 unit. Okay, now let us see, let us find the trigonometric ratio. What are the trigonometric ratios in unit circle? Okay, here let this length be x and let this length be y. Okay, it is 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit. It is a unit circle. Unit circle means circle of radius 1 unit. So it is 1 unit. It is the radius, right? Okay, let theta be the positive angle between the ray and the x-axis. Okay, what is positive angle? See, if a ray rotating anti-clockwise direction, okay, suppose it is a ray, it is rotating anti-clockwise direction, then it makes positive angle. Okay, if a ray rotating clockwise direction, then it makes a negative angle. Okay, anti-clockwise direction, positive angle, clockwise direction, negative angle. Okay, so here let theta be the positive angle. Okay, let theta be the positive angle between a ray and the x-axis. Okay, now here let us see what are the trigonometric ratios in unit circle. Okay, we have first sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse, right? Here opposite side is y and hypotenuse is 1. So sin theta is nothing but y divided by 1, that is y itself. Okay, next cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, remember sin theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is nothing but cos theta is equal to adjacent side is x divided by 1, that is equal to x. Okay. Next is tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but opposite side divided by adjacent, or we can say tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, so tan theta is equal to y divided by x. Okay, opposite side divided by adjacent side, y divided by x, or sin theta divided by cos theta, y divided by x. Okay, we have got these three trigonometric ratios and reciprocal. Okay, these three have three reciprocals, right? Reciprocal functions, so that we can write directly cosec theta, that is reciprocal of sin theta, cosec theta, that is equal to 1 by 1. Okay, next sec theta 1 by x, cot theta x by 1. Okay, now see here, let us find. Okay, here these six trigonometric functions are different. Okay, they have different signs. Okay, signs in different quadrants. Okay, see here in this circle we can see 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, so these 6 trigonometric functions have different signs in different quadrants. Okay, now let us see. See here, let us take a first quadrant. So what is this point? See, it's a unit circle. Okay, unit circle means radius 1. Okay, radius 1 unit. So what this point will be? This length, that is the radius. This length is nothing but radius of the circle. Radius is 1. Okay, and this point, see this point in x-axis. Okay, this point in x-axis. So y value is 0, isn't it? Okay, next here it is the point in on y-axis. Okay, point on y-axis. So here x-axis, x value is 0. So 0, 1. Okay, what is this point? This point is on x-axis. So a negative x-axis, and the radius is 1 unit. So this point is nothing but -1, 0. Since it is on x-axis, y value is 0. Y coordinate is 0. And see, this point is on y-axis, negative y-axis. So y coordinate value is -1. Okay, y coordinate is -1. What about x-axis? X coordinate. Since it is on y-axis, x value is 0. So 0, -1. So 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, 0, 0, -1. And one more thing, see, 6 trigonometric functions have different signs in different quadrants of the circle. Okay, now let us find signs. Okay, signs of 6 trigonometric ratios. So here, first, see, first quadrant, this circle has 4 quadrants. That is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, in different quadrants, these functions have different signs. Okay, first let us see first quadrant. In first quadrant, see, this first quadrant means this region, right? In this region, that is about a positive x-axis and positive y-axis, right? It is positive x-axis, it is positive y-axis. So this region contains only positive values, x coordinate and y coordinates. Okay, so here all the values of x coordinate and y coordinates are positive. That is, so here first quadrant, in first quadrant we have sin theta is equal to y, right? So here any point xy, okay, in first quadrant any point, any ordered pair xy, all the values x and y are positive. Okay, so here sin theta is equal to y, y is positive in first quadrant. Cos theta, we have cos theta is equal to x, x is also positive in first quadrant. Then what about tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but ratio of Sin theta and cos theta. That is sin theta divided by cos theta. That is positive divided by positive is nothing but positive. Right? So tan theta is equal to y by x. That is also positive. Okay. Now here, if sin theta is positive, its reciprocal is positive. Right? If cos theta is positive, its reciprocal is also positive. Tan theta positive, then its reciprocal cot theta is also positive. So remember, in first quadrant, all the 6 trigonometric ratios are, or trigonometric functions are positive. Okay, in first quadrant. Okay, now let us come to second quadrant. See, in second quadrant means this region, right? This region contains, see here, first here, negative x-axis and positive y-axis, right? That is, here all the values of x coordinate, okay, all the values of x coordinate is always negative in second quadrant and y values are positive. Okay, because this contains positive y-axis and negative x-axis. Okay, this region is between negative x-axis and positive y-axis. Okay, so all the values x coordinate will be negative and y coordinates will be positive. Okay, so here let us see sin theta is equal to y. Y is positive, right? Next, cos theta is equal to x. X means it is negative. X is negative in second quadrant. So next, what about tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta, that is y by x, that is positive by negative. Positive divided by negative. Positive value divided by negative value, that is nothing but negative, right? So y by x, that is also negative. So in second quadrant, sin theta is positive. Okay. Since sin theta is positive, its reciprocal cosec theta is also positive. Okay. So remember, in second quadrant, sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Okay. Now next let us go to third quadrant. In third quadrant, see, third quadrant means this region. This region is between, see, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. Okay, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. So here all the values of x coordinate and y coordinate in ordered pair are negative. Okay, both are negative. So let us write, okay, third quadrant. Let us see what is sin theta. Sin theta is y is negative. Cos theta is equal to x, it is also negative. So tan theta is equal to y by x, that is negative divided by negative. Okay, negative divided by negative is nothing but positive. So here tan theta is positive. Okay, so here tan theta is positive, its reciprocal is also positive. Here sin theta is negative, its reciprocal. Since sin theta is negative, its reciprocal is also negative. And cos theta is negative, its reciprocal sec theta is also negative. So tan theta is positive, its reciprocal cot theta is also positive. So here in third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Okay, now let us go to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, see, fourth quadrant is the region between positive x-axis and negative y-axis, right? So here all the values of x coordinate is positive and all the values of y coordinate are negative, right? So it is negative. So here, okay, now let us see sin theta. Sin theta, what is sin theta? Sin theta is y is negative, okay? Y is negative in fourth quadrant. Why? Because this fourth quadrant region is between negative y-axis and positive x-axis, right? So here sin theta is equal to y. All the values of y coordinates are negative. Okay. So sin theta is equal to y is negative. Next, cos theta is equal to x, that is positive in fourth quadrant. Okay, tan theta that is equal to y divided by x, that is negative divided by positive, that is nothing but negative. Okay, so only cos theta is positive in fourth quadrant, right? Cos theta, since cos theta is positive, its reciprocal sec theta is also positive. So in third quadrant, cos theta and sec theta are positive. Okay, so remember, it's very important. First quadrant, all 6 trigonometric functions are positive. Okay, in second quadrant, sin theta and its reciprocal cosec theta are positive. And third quadrant, tan theta and its reciprocal cot theta are positive. Fourth quadrant, cos theta and its reciprocal sec theta are positive. See, there is one sentence to remembering the signs of 6 trigonometric functions in different quadrants of a circle. Okay, let us see. That is, all students take coffee. Okay, here all for first quadrant, it is for second quadrant, it is for third quadrant, it is for fourth quadrant. Okay, first and all. So that is, in first quadrant, all 6 trigonometric functions are positive. Okay. Second word is students. See, first letter is S. S for sine. So sine is positive. Since sine is positive, cosec also positive in second quadrant. Third one, take. Take first letter T. T for tan. So tan is positive in third quadrant. Tan and cot are positive in third quadrant. Fourth, coffee. First letter is C. C for cos. So cos and sec are positive in fourth quadrant. Okay. Remember, all students take coffee. So it is the sentence to remembering the signs of 6 trigonometric functions in different quadrants of a circle. Okay. Next we will study how to find the 6 values of 6 trigonometric functions given angle measure. Okay. So let us see. Okay. We have taken a unit circle. Here it is the point 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Okay. See here, it is the angle, okay, or 0 degree. Okay, this is 0 degree starting. Okay, 0 degree. Here we will find the values of trigonometric functions in angle measure, radian measure. Okay, not a degree. So 0 degree means in radian, convert degree to radian. So we will get 0 radian. Okay, 0 degree means 0 radian. Okay, so it is starting 0 radian. Okay, so next see, it is 90 degree, right? So from here to here, this angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree, convert 90 degree to radian, that is 90 degree into pi by 180. But it is 90 2s, right? Okay, pi by 2. So it is nothing but pi by 2 radian. Okay, and here pi by 2 to here it is 180 degree, right? Isn't it? 180 degree. 180 degree means in radian it is pi. Okay, pi. Next here it is 270 degree. Okay, 90 degree, 90 plus 90, 180 degree, 180 plus 90, 270 degree. 270 degree means, or you can see add 90 degree means radian is pi by 2, right? 90 degree radian pi by 2. Pi by 2 radian. Okay, 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 radian. So add pi by 2. Okay, here 0 plus pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi, pi plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, again here 2 pi. Okay, that means one full circle, that is one complete revolution is 360 degree. 360 degree, how to convert degree to radian? That is 360 degree into pi by 180. Okay, that is 180 2s are, that is equal to 2 pi. So here again it is 2 pi. It is repeating. Okay, for every revolution it is repeating. So here 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi by 2. What is 2 pi plus pi by 2? that is 5 pi by 2, right? 2 into 2 pi, 4 plus pi, 5 pi by 2. So it is again 5 pi by 2. And here again 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay. See, this angle radian measure is nothing but pi by 2. That is 90 degree. 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 radian. Okay. Here we will measure the trigonometric ratios in radians. Okay. Here 5 pi by 2. Here 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 6 pi by 2, that is nothing but 3 pi. So it is 3 pi. Again 3 pi plus pi by 2, that is 2 into 3 pi, 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 2. Okay, next 7 pi by 2 plus pi, 7 pi by 2 plus pi, that is sorry, pi by 2, okay, that is 8 pi by 2, that is equal to 4 pi. Okay, so it is again 4 pi. See, in this way it is repeating. See here, so what is the value? First 0, okay, 0 to pi by 2, okay, 90 degree means pi by 2 radian, okay, trigonometric, all these 6 trigonometric ratios or functions are measured in angles measured in radians. So we will convert this degree to radians, okay. So it is pi by 2, pi, okay, pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 2 pi plus pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 3 pi, okay. So like that. So here we will find the values of this trigonometric functions, okay, given angle measure. So first one is 0. Okay, so what is the sine value? Okay, sine 0. What is sine 0? See, we know that in unit circle, sine theta is equal to y, right? Sine theta is equal to y, cos theta is equal to x. Okay, so here tan theta is equal to y by x. See here, sine theta is equal to y. So here sine 0. Sine 0 is y. Here y coordinate is nothing but 0. Right? So sine 0 is 0. Okay. Then what is cos 0? Cos 0, see, cos theta is equal to x. So what is the value of x coordinate? 1. Right? So cos 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Remember. See, in the same way, we can say sine 2 pi is also, that is sine theta is y, okay. So, taking the value of y coordinate, so sine 2 pi is also 0, okay. Sine 0 is also 0, sine 2 pi is also 0, sine 4 pi is also 0, okay. Next, cos 2 pi is 1, cos 0 is 1, cos 2 pi is 1, cos 4 pi is 1.